In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to place a video on a TV screen in Canva. This is a great effect if you're creating YouTube thumbnails, social media posts, or presentation slides, and you want your video to look like it's playing on a television. I'll walk you through each step slowly so you can follow along, even if you're new to Canva. First, open your design in Canva. Once your project is open, look over to the left-hand side of the screen and find the panel with all the different options, like templates, elements, uploads, and so on. Go ahead and click on Elements. This is where you can find shapes, graphics, and frames that we'll use to create the TV screen effect. With the Elements tab open, move to the search bar at the top of that panel and type in TV screen. Press Enter. Canva will now show you a variety of TV graphics and frames. What you're looking for is a TV element that has a screen area where you can place a photo or video. These are often called frames in Canva, and they usually look like they have an empty or patterned screen in the middle. Browse through the results and select a TV element that fits the style of your design. Click once on the TV you like, and it will appear on your canvas. From there, you can resize it by dragging the corners and move it around until it sits exactly where you want it in your layout. Next, you'll want to adjust the layer of this TV element so it works well with your other content. Right-click on the TV element. A small menu will appear. Look for the option related to layers, such as Layer, and then choose Send Backward. This moves the TV behind any elements that need to appear in front, like highlights, text, or other graphics. You might need to click Send Backward more than once if there are many layers. Once the TV is positioned correctly, click on the highlight element in your design. This could be a shape or graphic that helps draw attention to the TV or the video area. Make sure it sits above the TV if that's the look you're going for, and adjust its size and position until everything looks balanced. After that, you're ready to drag your actual video onto the TV screen frame, and Canva will snap it into place, creating the realistic TV playback effect.